na aye dem chire ma che say a boys ni e bosie because of a sporting tax at say aban yi esi wayi afiri honum na eno after say 2025 budget eno omu ready ye no omu ready we ya na minority ba ebe kan sem bebre say omu nim tax na sporting tax no omu implement bibia Captain Smart aba obechim say as NPP foi konkonsa kakra ne atoro kakra bi wo hodo ma chese asa wo chema o mu nka no kra ne ade ne wa be faye o mu anopa we pam aha LSO ghtrends and any first time I complete every day so subscribe ama me no click on notification bell for latest update no follow Facebook as LSO ghtrends and TikTok so as LSO ghtrends share video we ama afofo ababa be hwe ebusia enru ada ene finance minister nsi ayeyi na metria honorable Atoforsen eba no be ready budget 2025 budget the Maya watch say sporting tax na eda so say a wutwa beta na ate percentage na fe boys ni nsu se chinchina de say omume o say omuenye mfiri omu ntwa beta ne kra say no omu kasa no omu stress ebe ya anka president ba woni fi o ema na His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne bosha obehye boys be say oba obeye fi ho no ene enu budget ne na ewo mu sesesi ade omu ye fi ho kra de say ni ho biem na enu na minority side led by a former finance minister Mohammed Amin ebe kan say omuni mo hwe
Ladies and gentlemen, betting tax that they said they have abolished. We never collected betting tax. We never implement the betting tax. So to come and tell Ghanaians that you have abolished something that was not implemented is to deceive the people of Ghana. My brothers and sisters, they are talking also about gold board. It's important I address this. The gold board, as you heard the minister talk about, is to be financed from the budget. The minister is allocating $279 million to the gold board. We have never funded the gold purchase program or gold for oil program from the budget.
Mohammed Amin na yakuti na some can say they never even implemented the betting tax just o ma implement kwa na campese o ma jiska wo bi hoti o mu chire ma chese NBC fo ne e bi ato e be da Ghana fo na no ana Captain Smart aba no pa we ya watch ana ne yemfa ne me bi serious so ati ase na nke ye mama bi so anka by now anka ye Mohammed Amin nka wonte ase ke bi asebi ya je ne kra kwa fi say because day na ade amaye ade am implement boys bi kura me bi say bi mu chire mu say yeti omoda omudi ani ate yeti omoda na afa mu say kasa mo implement kura nti sika no ewo hemfa
the Arabian lanta ka sharia lonka kwa we betwa ntin ne ka by now second dan minimum kwhye osanso di Mohammed memboni di Mohammed because sallallahu alaihi wasallam Mohammed is a very respectable man. Mohammed is a noble being. The man Mohammed no onye nipa ye de ne di agro yemfa bibia nto nche. Mohammed is a prophet oyobia eni die wo no ho. Mohammed, look, when you have that name Mohammed, you got to be extra careful what you say, what you do in public, because Mohammed nye nipa ketwa na wata Mohammed atoso. No what we have Ghana for in any say we never implemented betting tax. We never collected betting tax. Oh, free. Yes, Ramwa. Amin Andam. Mohammed. Yeah, Pacho. Fayesika May. We try bet to Krum Hamuti Sikari Nano. A coin. I think Ghana for what who say. As someone of the catch up some crofo ya crom for no. Say memoir. And no all can say some no home. Na me wafa MP your friend say Patrick Boama or say hey go o can say some na Patrick Boama unity back camera say hey go asana na wo kai Ghana for say a domain ya wo ho e say MPP tina opposition 40 years I swear. See, betting tax. We 2023. 2021 they say na e-levy na buy. 2022 e-levy kwamba Ghana 643,353,295.74 million Ghana cedis, almost 1 billion. Tie edu 2023 na e-levy etwem 1 billion. Edu 2024 na kakitwa bi na edu 2 billion. Wokamo ma e-levy nko sika akufa dunyae. Eye 3 billion 687 million 243,444.88. Where you opp as a prr sa prr
ni e-levy sika no e was special account bi ekowura mu na enya ade a omoje e de beboa Ghana nanso okan ye na asset threat bi ni nkofo bi be ka che ne se asem a wokan wonhwe but per de ye Mohammed Amin abeka ne ne kire se eye no ko
Nyame anim Amin Mohammed Amin no sadai why a press conference say mukra no betting tax no manji bida Allahu Akbar.
I was said here for betre mu.
Me ba ho maka asem na modidi na Amin no ho ayada me kasa ayada nkofo didi ago.
Mo ha de trabet. Mu twa bi. Mu twa ye ntemo. Omote.
Wo de me fia me ba. Me betena fia ha na me ka kire o se me fia wa kra be kan ya. Me say betting tax ni e-levy. Enye Ghana Revenue Authority. Ho na eko. Makai. Bebe kan wo fia ha se ema mia mi fia ha pani bi pa efra mi se asem we de bi njai kan and I'm say oh me de njai kan I know what I'm talking about o se be de na ban e de tax beba na nya Ghana Revenue Authority and ejiji sa sika now when I account for that money let me say e-levy you accounted for that betting tax will be accounted for that. I was told to stop talking about it. There was a separate account. I'm saying it today. And then me point. Let me who penny no frame na. Me catch as a wubra. Now you taste. Betting tax no muchedi. E-levy. Se hunu nko na omudidi e-levy se bosume ne so a womu obi a no bo mama na said this is how much I beg account to them. I am daring the Bank of Ghana former governor so ye be mo mbra bonti me kan kire say no kura oni account na e-levy kom so ye be ma o metena ha ana wo de onko gira ne fie ye de camera beba for police for the personal bodyguard in try to hunshia my interview so on my account to kuna na e-levy ekoguma even mafia Bank of Ghana didn't know Bank of Ghana didn't know betting tax no yembusa national lotteries
Samia uku
oh na sa bet no what if you ba woman ehweso enti account ban and na Samia ukumo jeje betting tax na woman di kogum and now John finance minister me no be call Switzerland me fi am call Switzerland and I'm saying ko be bank account some attention Africans ko be we must find catch me you say minimum deposit $500,000. It is a we need $500,000. You cannot open an account. So when you're a citizen. And we are not that time now. I say, but my father who bruta. It's official be a politician. A lot of you people, when they come here, they deposit a lot of money. In Ghana, we have a lot of politicians. And the man forgot himself and started mentioning names. Onim say be a journalist. Onim say be a broadcaster. No, body inko. As why make me wa dance for me nu come ho. Omi na Ghana for. Resa young
Abusiana chese de ekoso ewo Ghana no no. Chese Ghana had the politicians we omo di ya National Lottery Authority no. Ono and it is sports in sports munya munim say you lotto. No ono ne da no. Enti sika no. Ana no omo tete sika no we hemfa. Ghana for boys ni busa pa omo mucha bet me chia se me ka boys boys e man bi sutwa. So omo busa se sika no ewo hemfa. Se mo se ma implement dia na sika kanka na matete no. Mon famra because Ghana for ni busa pa me de many audience mechi any update be for ba de beba aba be sumo koso aka so be follow Facebook access to ghtrends and TikTok